In a dramatic turn of events, Nelson Chamisa, the founder of the Citizens Coalition for Change (CCC), has been compelled to submit an affidavit in a controversial court case initiated by Sengezo Chabangu, who falsely claims to be the Secretary General of the CCC. This move marks Chamisa's first affidavit deposition in response to a series of legal challenges aimed at ousting him from his political stronghold, mirroring the legal tactics employed against the Movement for Democratic Change Alliance (MDCA) in 2020. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any update from our channel. The case against Chamisa, filed by Chabangu, alleges ownership over CCC property, thereby forcing Chamisa to declare in court documents that he is not the leader of any political party. This legal maneuver is seen as a direct attack on Chamisa's political identity and deployed to weaken his leadership position within the CCC. The situation further escalated following incidents of violence at the funeral of Mo Blessing Ali, where individuals reportedly acting on behalf of Chamisa caused chaos. This incident is being used to paint Chamisa as a violent figure, damaging his public image and potentially setting the stage for future legal challenges against his eligibility for political office. Insiders reveal that ZANU-PF, the ruling party, is orchestrating these events as part of a broader strategy to neutralize Chamisa's political influence. By forcing Chamisa to disavow his leadership role, they aim to leverage this affidavit in future confrontations, potentially disqualifying him from political candidacy based on the Zimbabwean Constitution's clause against individuals convicted of violent crimes. Socialist and political analyst Gonzo has weighed in on the unfolding situation, advising Chamisa to lay the groundwork for a new political entity without officially forming it. This cautious approach stems from a recognition of the targeted efforts against Chamisa, suggesting that a strategic delay in formalizing a new party could safeguard against immediate threats. Furthermore, Gonzo emphasizes the need for Chamisa to identify a youthful successor to continue the democratic fight, citing the dwindling resolve among older opposition figures. This strategy not only aims to preserve the movement's momentum, but also to ensure its resilience against ongoing political assaults. As the situation develops, Chamisa's affidavit submission represents a critical juncture in Zimbabwe's political landscape, highlighting the lengths to which his opponents will go to undermine his leadership and the strategic decisions necessary to navigate this challenging environment. This is the news about Chamisa being forced to come to court by Chabangu. So tell us what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.